Hey, welcome back. In the previous video, we have checked what is the stream. We have seen a simple example for streams. We have seen how streams API will help us to reduce the length of the code. In that particular example, we have did a filter operation and collect operation. Now, when we are talking about operations, there are two types of operation. And in this particular video, we will check these two types of operation. The first one is intermediate operation and the second one is terminal operation. So we will check one by one what is the intermediate operations and what is the terminal operations. So first we will check the intermediate operation. Now what does it mean by intermediate operation? The word intermediate suggests that it is in between. So whenever we are getting a streams of a collection, the intermediate operation will always return a stream object only. So let's move to the example and I will tell you. Okay, so this is an example that we have written in previous video, and here we are getting a al.stream. So this part will return a stream object. Okay, so this is the example that we have written in the previous video, and you can see al.stream, and then we have added a filter operation. Now, and when we check the filter operation, you can see it will be returning a new stream. So it will returning a stream, and then again we can add another operation in front of it. So as per our presentation slide, the intermediate operation are the operation which always return a stream object. It allows the operation to be connected to form a query. So like we have added a filter operation, then again we can add a map operation or many other operations we can write and it will form a query. So basically intermediate operations will allow us to do so. It does not perform any operation until the terminal operation is invoked. Now for now, just read the third statement and just do not worry about it. I will tell you this later. Okay, so this is an intermediate operation. So let's move to the example once again and we will see the intermediate operations there. Okay, so this is the example. Now al.stream and then filter operation. Now this is an intermediate operation because it is returning a stream. Now if I want to add any other operations here, I can easily add. And about this third point we will discuss once we will see the terminal operation also. The examples for the intermediate operations are filter, map, limit, sorted. Do not worry about these methods. We will see all the methods and their respective examples in the upcoming videos. So this is the intermediate operations. Let's see the terminal operation now. So we have seen the intermediate operation. Now we are seeing the terminal operation, and that word terminal means which will be a ending operation. So it returns a result from the stream. So basically terminal operation will return a result from the stream, and the result can be integer, an object or a string. It can be anything. And the example for the terminal operations are collect, count, get. These methods are the example for terminal operation. Okay, so let's move to the example once again. Okay, so filter is an intermediate operation because it is returning a new stream, but collect is the terminal operation. It is returning the result of the reduction. You can see it here, because what does this statement means? al.stream means we want a stream and then we want to filter out all the elements, and this is the condition that we have passed. Like if the element is greater than 5, then collect it to the list. We are using collectors.toList as a parameter to the collect method, and it is collecting all the elements which are greater than 5. So here filter is an intermediate operation. It is doing the task, and collect is the terminal operation. It is collecting all the elements. We cannot add any more operation ahead of the collect because it is a terminal operation, and the operations query will end here. If you want to add some operations after filter, you can easily add like map or any other operation, map to double, map to int. You can see the various operations here. And we have discussed about the third statement, that intermediate operation will not do any task until and unless the terminal operation invoked. That means whenever this query executes and it says that we have to collect numbers, then it will check which number we have to collect, and it will say all the numbers which are greater than 5. So first terminal operation will execute or invoke, and then the filter operation, which is an intermediate operation, invoked. So even if you are not confident about this concept, so do not worry about it. We will check this concept in detail. We will check a specific example for it in the upcoming videos where we are checking various examples. So for now, you should understand only two things, that intermediate operations are the operations which return a string, so that we can add another operation in front of it. The examples are like filter, map, limit, or sorted. Okay, and the terminal operations are, it will provide a result, it will not return any string. So terminal, this is because these operations will end the operations query, and it provides the result. That result can be anything like integer, string, or object. And the example for terminal operations are collect, count, get. This type of methods are example for terminal operations. Now we have seen these two type of operations, and we will see the specific example for this type of operations in upcoming videos, and we will explore it more. So happy coding and thank you.